Good morning and welcome to the ASX at breakfast. I'm Lauren Hayes, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, the Australian share market is expected to open higher. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.3% rise. Yesterday, the Australian share market closed 1.1% higher at 7,649. Northern Star Resources posted 400,825 ounces of gold sold in the March quarter at an all-in sustaining cost of $1,844 an ounce. The company said all-in costs of $2,620 were higher than a year ago, driven by the continuation of capital growth projects across the group, led by the KCGM mill expansion project. Northern Star said it remains on track to deliver guidance, and despite a challenging March quarter that was impacted by significant weather events, gold sold is expected to significantly increase in the June quarter. The company is expecting higher ore volumes and grade and improved milling availability. Brambles reaffirmed its fiscal 2024 guidance after sales revenue increased 7% to $4.8 billion for the first 9 months of FY24. Group volumes decreased by 1%, driven by inventory optimisation at retailers and manufacturers across Europe and North America. The Transport and Logistics Group is forecasting a rise in sales revenue to between 6 and 8% over fiscal 2024, driving a 13 to 15% gain in underlying profit. The company confirmed the dividend payout ratio is expected to be about 45 to 60% of underlying profit in US dollar terms and fully funded through cash flow. Plenti posted an increase of 3% in its loan portfolio in the March quarter to $2.1 billion compared to the previous quarter. The fintech lender also saw a rise in the number of customers with payments more than 90 days overdue in the March quarter, but said the lift was driven by the end of the March quarter coinciding with the Easter holiday weekend and was not reflective of a deterioration in customer credit quality. Plenti is expecting to deliver $200 million in revenue in FY24 as cost-to-income ratio falls below 30%. Looking to the US markets now, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 0.7%, the S&P 500 rose 0.9%, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 1.1%. European markets closed higher. London's FTSE gained 1.6%, Frankfurt added 0.7% and Paris closed 0.2% higher. Turning to Asian markets, Tokyo's Nikkei added 1%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng gained 1.8% and China's Shanghai Composite closed 0.7% lower. That's the latest from the ASX at breakfast.